Hello everyone, this is Simon again, and we're going to have a quick review of this week. Today's November 19th, and the market opens tonight. So a few things I just want to point out, and then we'll go a few things as far as the economic calendar shows us. I'll share with you what I observed this week and what's happening here. Take a look at gold, and that's something we've been sharing all the time. When the market sells off, here's the S&Ps. Okay, take a look. It looks like we hitting the top over here on S&Ps, and kind of 1, 2, 3, 4 days we're sitting the same level. And those of you who knows technicals as far as candles, I mean you can read it either way you want, but it looks like we actually having a hard time breaking these levels. And take a look what gold did. We had after fighting with this 1281 level, we had a nice move on Friday. We had about $8 move, $7-8 move on gold. So let's see how this week goes. This move might continue to the high levels over here, which is I guess 1300 will be testing definitely this week. So great opportunity there. S&Ps, or if you trade in DAX, Dow Jones, pretty much the same picture. I'm still holding my short positions. I'm adding to them if you can take a look. Okay, shorted here, added to this, and then pretty much after this move up, we refuse to go higher. So I'll be watching this, and then we'll see what the fundamentals could be supporting or actually going against this week in a moment. Another one just that caught my attention. I've been struggling a little bit, to tell you the truth, with the USD CAD. Okay, it's been moving. I mean, after this tremendous move down with a little correction here, we've been trying to recover here. And if you look on the daily chart, it's really setting up for a move. You know, we have such a tight range over here. We should move either way. And my feeling as far as comparing with oil, take a look on oil. It looks like USD CAD might go low over here, maybe retest 125.60 levels here. So we'll be paying attention to that. And as far as oil, actually, I've been watching the CFTC report, and there were a lot of net positions in oil, long positions were added. So I guess the speculator are looking for a higher move over here. And take a look on the monthly chart. We actually covered the gap over here, 57.20. And the high of this month is 57.89, a little bit shy of 58. So we covered the gap. We could get a little bit of retracement on the downside, or we can continue higher and test 60 or 60 to 65 level. That's the level we actually we refused to break back in 2015. So we're back on those levels, and this is very serious. So again, just so far we've been talking about gold. I tried to make this review really short, not to bore everybody, just give the specifics. So gold going long, S&Ps, short opportunities still there. I mean, if it falls, you're gonna fall like a rock, okay? And that's you need to be in the position. Again, take your own risk, take your own judgment. But this is something that is chart showing us. USD CAD potentially going lower. Oil potentially going higher. British pound also, I found out there's a lot of net positions. Actually, there were a lot of short position, and they were cut in half. So the sellers are getting off the market. It looks like we're gonna have a move up, which potentially could translate into a move up to 135, 136 level. Pay attention to that. Australian dollar. Okay, let's go to the news now. This week is something to do with Australian dollar. We have RBA meetings minutes, and that's Tuesday early morning. Before that, Monday daytime, we have President Draghi's speech. Okay, so watch for gold and euro. Inflation report on pound, which might be supporting our technicals on the way up. We have Yellen's speech also this week on Tuesday. and then followed by Wednesday FOMC minute report. This is very serious. We'll be watching that. Next day on Thursday we have the ECB monetary policy, and Friday nothing super major there. So again, just to repeat really quick: gold buy, S&Ps sell, USD CAD potentially going down, oil going higher, retesting 60, possibly higher, and pound on the way up. Have a wonderful week. Trade smart. Watch your risks. Watch the equity, and lots of success to everybody. All the best.